gone through the whole transaction from the very first strategy session all the way through closing and beyond. Is this the end? No, it's not the end. Your agent is your agent. They are your person to represent you and to help you along the way. I talked about some of the home maintenance things and some of the future planning you may look at. If you decide to maybe upgrade or downsize or whatever, move to a different location in the future, your agent's still there to help you. They can help take you through this process again and guide you along the way. They're there to help you with projects. Once you have them, help refer you to people. They're there to help your friends and family if they need to move. They're there to help teach you about real estate investing if that's something you want to do to add to your portfolio, to really look at what buying a cash flowing building could do, or a home flip, or owning rentals. These are all things that your real estate agent can help you with. Even though this transaction is over, it doesn't have to be the end of the relationship. They're there to help you along the way. So be sure to stay in touch, whether that's following them on social media, messaging or texting them when you need them, or just checking in every once in a while to update on market conditions. Maybe you're looking to sell your home in the future and you want to know what it's worth at that time. Reach out to your real estate agent. They're there to help you. I hope this has been helpful for going from the very start of the process all the way through the end and then beyond into the future. There's a lot that goes into every real estate transaction and hundreds of hands that touch every single one. It's a big process, but it can be greatly streamlined and simplified with having the right agent in place. Have a great day and good luck to you on your next real estate transaction.